Hi, I'm John, and this is another episode of N-Scale Friday. We have a model today that's a special release from Atlas, so let's head over to the workbench. All right, so here's what we're looking at today. This is an N-Scale 50-foot 6-inch boxcar, the 2022 Ukraine Peace Edition that comes from Atlas. Atlas did these models in an effort to donate all profits from the sale of the cars to Ukrainian refugee relief organizations. I think that's a very noble cause. So I purchased a couple of these myself, one in N-Scale and one in HO. And today we're going to look at the N-Scale one. These went for $22.95, and frankly, the price wasn't even an issue when I saw what they were doing. They're sold out now on Atlas's website, but you might be able to get one on eBay from someone who bought one for $22.95 and is now trying to make a profit on it. I would be inclined not to buy from people like that because they're exploiting the suffering of other people, but that's just me. Anyway, let's take a closer look. The paint on the model is pretty much what you'd expect. The separation line between the blue and yellow is reasonable. I really like this peace logo that they came up with for this car. I don't know if that's sourced from someplace else, but it's a pretty cool logo. Looking at the brake end of the car, you can see it has a separately applied brake wheel, and it comes with a knuckle coupler. I figured we'd look at the other side of the car since we're going all the way around it. And here is the A end. Similar detail, just minus the brake wheel. The top of the car has diagonal paneled roof detail. And the bottom of the car, surprisingly, has a bunch of brake detail. That looks really good. I wasn't expecting this because it's actually a Trainman series car. I think it's very admirable that Atlas saw an opportunity to help people, in this case specifically the refugees of the war in Ukraine that's been going on for a while now, and they used it as an opportunity to raise money by selling a really cool car. So kudos to you, Atlas. My hat's off to you, and thanks for watching. See you next time.